What's up? This is Shapeless, Bay Area, Underground, Arts and Music. This is part 2, 20-minute session, part 2. Working with the same beat and gonna make it sound better. The other one was alright, but it was only 20 minutes. I wasn't crazy about it. Let's see if I can make this beat into something
way doper, way more interesting, more melodic, and all that good stuff.
So I deleted a bunch of sounds out of the sample kit to make room for more organ sounds. Previously in this kit I only had one organ sample, and I'm copy and pasting that 4 times. So now I will have 4 more organ sounds, and I'm going to pitch shift each one so it'll sound like just different keys on the organ, or yeah, so it'll add some variety.
Like I said, having the organ step up a few notes and provide kind of a lift to the vibe.
There's an addition of a hi-hat with some delay on it. Add some support to the drums. Like a new organ track. Here on the bottom is complete. The last track on the bottom is a new organ track. Extra organ notes with the delay effect. So that bottom organ track is a new organ track with a delay on it. Makes the sound repeat, gives it an echo, adds some environment, ambiance and stuff. Sounds pretty cool. That new organ track is done. I added some kick drums on the end of bar
So I'm taking the 4 bars of the bass line to 8 bars of bass line, and it's an exact repeat with a couple extra notes added on to the second 4 bars of the bass line. So the bass is now 8 bars. The whole song will be 8 bars, but slight variety in the bass line at the end of the 8 bars, and bar 7 and 8.
Sometimes you get so deep into the construction of a song and building all the different separate individual notes, note by note, and you can really get lost in it and for hours and forget to save the project. And sometimes if there's any type of technical difficulty or power outage, you can lose everything. So yes, this is saved. Okay, so this beat is revamped, remixed, remastered, rebuilt. Sounds way better than the first 20 minutes. And so this is the result of another 20-minute session, about 23 minutes to be exact.